So earlier during the lockdown, I decided to face one of my biggest fear in life, and that is meeting the dentist. And that finally changed when I first met Dr. Reshma. Let her introduce herself.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Reshma Chawla. I'm the head aesthetic dentist at Blanco Aesthetics. We are a dental and skin clinic, and it's a one-stop solution for all of your dental and skin concerns. So Debasree came in for a consultation, and I have recommended that she goes in for a cleaning, polishing, some fillings, and a zoom laser whitening to top it up. So let's just get into that.
I'm scared.
Something which is any Colgate or an Oral-B dental floss. We take a little bit out, cut it out from the top, roll it around your index fingers like this. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do it very easily. See how easily it's just sliding? And you have gaps in between your teeth, so which everybody does. And this is not going to increase the gaps in between or anything like that. Keep doing that. For your back teeth, it will be a little bit more difficult to do. Like this. Got it? Okay.
Is that painful? Yeah, it is an art actually.
It's only 15 minutes. Sorry.
It's absolutely fine. Oh God, I want new houses.
Yeah.
I want
My day.
wow. Houses.
Oh my god, yeah. I can see a difference. Like these.
How was your experience?
It was really nice. Like I loved it. You know how I was scared, right? About like the entire thing. I'm like dentists and me do not get along.
I know. So that's the thing that we want to change, the perception about dentistry, that dentistry is very painful, going to a dentist is going to be a scary issue. But
Yeah.
we want to change that one patient at a time.
I
We want to
know.
make dentistry completely painless, so that you guys are actually looking forward coming to a dentist.
I was
rather
today.
than, the excitement should be there to get a nice smile, to get
Yeah.
your teeth whitened, all of that. So,
Yeah, and I also loved one of my favorite things today was like how comfortable I was feeling. I loved watching the Netflix over there.
Yeah, so these are all the added things that we've added in the clinic. We've got noise cancellation headphones, we've got Netflix. People don't like to listen to the sound of a drill.
Yeah.
So we've got those
And you've got
headphones
great
on.
music.
Thanks to Maria. She's gonna take the credit for that.
Yeah.
So that's all of the music, and plus all your five senses are active when you come in the clinic, right from the visual sense to the smell of the clinic. It's not smelling like your typical dental clinic.
Yeah.
So we made sure that each and every aspect is taken care of, so that at the end of the day you leave your account with a smile.
So I just got done with my entire process, and if you guys went through the entire video, you could see how comfortable I was. I kept asking, is it going to be painful? Is it going to be scary? But it really wasn't. I am so scared of dentists, but this was so good. It was very comfortable, very painless, and I absolutely enjoyed the music. That really kept my mind off of things. In case you guys are looking forward to getting anything done, I would highly recommend that you come down here.
Oh yeah, that day I was chewing gum and I bit myself.